Hello children, welcome to the online edu class of science chapter 2 in which we are going to understand the importance of food and health. Our today's topic is stay healthy. Children, you might have seen that some of your friends get cold and cough frequently. They also get tired after playing for a little. But on the other hand, some of your friends do not get cold and cough very easily. They can play for many hours and rarely fall ill. It means that they are healthy. In order to keep ourselves healthy, our body needs number 1, balanced diet, 2, regular exercise, 3, enough rest, 4, protection from diseases. Let's move on to our first point, that is balanced diet. It is defined as a diet which contains all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins in adequate amount. It also contains water and roughage. Now the question is, why should we take balanced diet, or what are the benefits of balanced diet? So, balanced diet helps us in controlling the weight of the body. It prevents us from illness. It keeps us energized. It increases our immune system. That means our body becomes capable of fighting the germs which brings about diseases in our body. Then our body supports heart health. It provides us important nutrients also. Components of diet, or in other words we can say that a balanced diet contains nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Let us discuss these nutrients one by one. Carbohydrate. They are those substances in our body which gives us energy to work. Example, banana, sugar, milk, bread, etc. Proteins. Proteins are those substances which helps in the growth and repair of the tissues like bones, muscles, blood, etc. The food which are the sources of proteins are meat, cheese, egg, nuts, etc. Fats. They are also those substances which get deposited under the skin or around the organs. They also gives us energy more than that of carbohydrate. Sources of fats are butter, meat, chocolate, etc. Vitamins, they are not synthesized in our body. They occur naturally in the food. They are required by the body in small quantities for the growth and good health of the body. Sources of vitamins are milk, fish, broccoli, radish, etc. Minerals like iron, calcium, they are those elements found in the food which helps in the growth and development of the body. Sources of minerals are pea, avocado, beans, etc. Roughage, or other name is fibers. They are indigestible fibers found in the food which our body cannot absorb. They help in getting rid of undigested food. The sources of roughage are fruit, vegetable, nuts, etc., which is a very essential nutrient of balanced diet. It helps in losing of body weight, makes our skin healthy, solves bad breath, regulates the temperature of the body. It also helps in digestion and constipation. One important thing we should keep in mind while taking food is that it should be properly and carefully cooked, keeping in view that its nutritional value is not lost. Now, let's move on to the second point of staying healthy, that is regular exercise. Whenever we do exercise, air is pumped into the lungs at a faster rate and fresh blood reaches to the heart. It supplies more oxygen to the brain and makes our nervous system healthy. In this way, exercise keeps our muscles in good shape as well as improves the flexibility of joints in bones. Now, let's have a look on to the third point, that is enough rest. We should take proper rest for efficient working. After complete rest, we feel fresh and get ready to work again. That's all for today. Have a happy and healthy day.